It's time to open Exercise 3, Display URL. Our first to-do is to implement that GitHub query URL that we talked about in the introduction. In our quest to help you avoid work and the inevitable errors that can come with typing out long URLs, we've created constants for the base GitHub URL, the query URL parameter, and the sort URL parameter in the network utils class, which also contains our first to-do, to fill in the build URL method. To build our search URL, we can take advantage of the Android URI.Builder framework class. It allows us to create a well-formed URI without having to worry about the particulars of URI components. For example, adding ampersands between query parameters and encoding invalid characters with a % followed by the character code. And yes, a URL is a specific class of URI, which is why this is a bit confusing. Once we've created our base URI by parsing the GitHub base URL string, we create a URI.Builder using the buildUpon method. Then we can call append query parameter for our search query and sort fields. Finally, we call build to produce the URI we'll use to query GitHub. However, this produces an Android URI, while our method requires a Java URL, all caps. We can convert our new built URI to a Java URL by passing it as a string parameter to the Java URL constructor. Then we move to main activity. We'll make a method called makeGitHubSearchQuery. It pulls the GitHub query from the edit text, calls the build URL method we just wrote, and displays the resulting URL in the URL display text view. Finally, we replace the toast from onOptions item selected with a call to the makeGitHubSearchQuery method. Now, when we hit the search button in the action bar, we'll display the URL that we're going to query. Now it's your turn. Build the URL that will be used to query GitHub and display it when the search button is pressed.